Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many iPhone users are complaining that their iPhone overheats while using it. So if you are also facing the same problem, then keep watching this video till the end because today I'm going to tell you how to fix this problem. Let's start video without wasting any time. So the first solution is to never use a case cover on your iPhone. Sometimes the iPhone case overheats because of the cover. Guys, another solution is to not use your iPhone while charging. If you use the iPhone while charging, there are high chance that it will heat up. So avoid this. Guys, make sure that you charge your iPhone with original adapter. Sometimes due to high voltage also iPhone overheats. The fourth and last solution is to remove the beta version from your iPhone. For this, go to Settings menu on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down and click on VPN and Device Management. Here, remove the beta profile from your iPhone. Click on Not Now. Go to Back menu and click on Software Update. On the software update, install the latest version of iOS in your device. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.